Anyone has a question? Please. All right, so okay. So first of all, I'll tell you the reason why I took geography. My background was electrical engineering, and I could have easily taken that. But the point is that I found it very difficult to cover an engineering subject and GS papers at the same time. So I thought geography would be one optional which would be helping me in GS, because you see GS paper 1, GS paper 3 has extensive coverage of geography topics. So this was one reason, and secondly, it is a very relevant subject for a civil servant anyways. I was in Allahabad. There was no proper coaching available in Allahabad for geography optional. I watched Ira Singhal ma'am's blog and video. There she has extensively covered what all topics to be covered in geography from which sources. So I blindly followed that. All the books that she suggested, I had bought those books and I started reading. But then I realized that I was not able to cover all the things. I was not able to understand most of the things. Then I kept myself limited to 2 or 3 basic books. One was Physical Geography by Savindra Singh, right? So that everyone follows, that is like the Bible. Second was Human Geography by Majid Hussain sir. There's a geographical thought book, and there's a models book also by Majid Hussain sir also and K. Siddhartha sir also. You can choose which one to know. And then for the paper 2, that is India, I followed a book by Khullad. It is a thick book, but you need not read it cover to cover. You have to just read the important chapters from there. So these 3 books I kept myself limited to, first thing. Second, I solved previous year question papers. So that, because questions are repeated in optionals. So if you solve previous year question papers, that will give you a fair idea on how to cover and how to write. And you can get it checked by a teacher or even by your friends and point out each other's mistakes. And third point is map work. For map work, again, there is a book by K. Siddhartha sir, Geography Through Maps. It has extensive coverage of map work. What I did for map work, that I practiced all the map works that had come in last 15-20 years, and I practiced them on an India map. So most of them were repeated in the final exam, so that helped me there. Now in geography paper 2, the questions are very general. When you will solve paper 2, you will feel like you are writing a GS paper. So what is important here is you try to incorporate geographical theories in your answer. For example, if there is a general question on water management in geography paper 2, just think if you have read any theory on water management in geography per se, or if you can use any geographical fact to explain your point better. Try to draw a map there. For example, you can show the map of India, you can show the rivers, you can use a case study there. For example, a village in Rajasthan is doing good water management. You can write 2 to 3 lines about a case study. So these are some of the value additions that you can do in your answer to make your answer different. So this is what I did in geography.